The laser cleaning machine is a fully automatic machine, equipped with a conveyor belt, can automatically load, clean and unload, easily connected to the factory assembly line. The laser battery cleaning machine is an advanced piece of equipment specifically designed to clean and process various types of batteries, especially lithium batteries, includes cylindrical cell, pouch cell, prismatic cell and battery pack. Its working principle is based on the combination of laser technology and efficient cleaning methods, providing an efficient and precise cleaning solution for the battery manufacturing process. It uses laser technology for cleaning, irradiating the battery surface with high-energy laser beams to quickly and accurately remove dirt, grease, oxides and other impurities. Laser cleaning machines play an important role in the battery manufacturing and assembly industry, improving cleaning efficiency and quality and ensuring the stability and reliability of battery products. Its efficient cleaning process also helps ensure battery performance and longevity, as well as compliance with environmental requirements.